from grade 2C. Today I am going to tell you about sense organs, parts of our body that help us to observe and feel the things around us are called sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Eyes. Eyes helps us to see things. Eyes are visual sensory organs. These are sensitive to light images. Blindness is the inability to see. Ears. Ears help us to hear. Ears are auditory sense organs. It detects vibrations in the air. Deafness is the inability to hear. Tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. Taste buds are sensory organs on the tongue. Sense of taste is known as Tactioception. Ageusia is the inability to taste. Nose. Nose helps us to smell. Nose is an olfactory organ. We can smell and perceive different odors and scents. Anosmia is the inability to smell. Skin helps us to feel the touch. Skin is the largest organ of our body. The touch of sense is known as tactioception. Tactile anesthesia is the inability to feel anything physically. Thank you, teachers and friends. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to answer. So, this is my whole chat.